veins. Okay. Aortic arch is right here. And you have the left subclavian that branches off right here. And then you have brachiocephalic, right common carotid, and left common carotid. And then you have the internal mammary gland right here. Right here, you have the first branch. That's right subclavian.
That's the right subclavian. Where's the brachiocephalic?
Right here?
Yes.
Okay. But, will these be the three branches? The vertebral, costa cervical, and then thyrocervical?
Yes, ma'am.
And then this would be the mammary?
Yes, ma'am.
What's that?
Oh, that's the subclavian.
So there needs to be the three branches. Or does it...
No, it's just been cut. It was going through that little gap down the arm.
Okay, so these are the three branches.
That's the three branches there, and then the rest of that. See where that little blue dot is?
Yeah.
That's about where it would end with the body, and the rest of this should be outside the body going toward the arm.
So it'd be axillary?
Yes.
Okay.
But I wouldn't ask it on y'all's because it's not where it should be.
Okay. Did you get all that? Okay, so this is the brachiocephalic, and the right subclavian branches off, and you have the vertebral, the first branch, and then you have...
Did you make that note card out?
Well, I've actually already...
costa cervical right there.
Yeah.
And then you have the thyrocervical trunk. And then that's the right subclavian, and the internal mammary. And
which one is the one below the... Okay.
Common carotid, and then the left common carotid, the branches off, left branch, and the left subclavian, and we have to do our other one. This would be the axillary right here after the blue dot where the subclavian ends, that part right there. Can we have it more distinguished over here? This would be the subscapular that goes to the back. Sorry. Where does it stop as axillary and go to brachial?
Right in between the subscapular. So this side is axillary, then subscapular, and then turns into brachial.
So this would be brachial right here? That's brachial, and then axillary, and radial and ulnar.
Yep, we're good. Thanks, sir.
You bet.
Radial? Radial on this side, and that's going to be ulnar. On that side. Here are the pulmonary and coronary.
Coronary is on top, all the
Coronary?
Yeah.
Pulmonary.
That stuff is coronary arteries. And then the pulmonary artery, is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
So it would come out of the right ventricle.
Did you know the person? Because I did.
No, I got it.
I guess flip it to the back.
I got when I was offshore and
See if it's right here. It's going to the lungs.
I'm going.
I'm not sure. It's kind of hard to tell because it's from the...
And I went to the closest one was bathroom. And walked in and...
Is that pericardium or something like that one?
Yeah.
I think it was a Sunday.
Cardio.
Identified before it goes in the lungs. What's that red one right there going in the lungs?
It has fairly bad taste. I slipped it on my shirt.
Pulmonary?
That's the pulmonary vein.
I'm assuming you
All veins are blue except the pulmonary because there's an oxygenation. If you see a blue one going in, then that's a pulmonary artery. So I just see red ones, but if you saw a blue one there, that's what it would be. Like you see a little blue right there in that.
Yeah.
That'd be a pulmonary
They'd be in the lungs?
artery. Yeah. So if you look at some of the other cats, you'll probably see something.
Right here.
So what is this right here?
That is the pulmonary artery.
That is a pulmonary. Okay.
That goes into the left. So do that wrong.
And what were you looking for?
That was it. That's all. I had left on that one.
I got nervous.
And
Like I still have
yeah, the thoracic
aches.
before the diaphragm. So it'd be the thoracic aorta. And then
What about the intercostal and esophageal?
are these all of them?
The intercostal.
These are all intercostal.
Where's the esophageal?
Good God.
Where's the esophageal?
This one?
Yeah, I feel like I should be like my dog and start
Do you see it, like, lift up the thoracic aorta, and you'll see all the things attaching, right? And then you should see one go into the esophagus. There.
Touch it. This one? Or this one? It looks like it broke.
What is that other red one?
Where? This one?
Is that the esophagus or the one on top of the esophagus?
I had one pustular on my back that was that size.
I just had
Remember, a lot of our
this, and they were little. I thought it was like,
Well, it's probably the one on top because of
This
this
one?
tube. Yeah. Probably.
And then right here would start the abdominal aorta.
After the diaphragm?
Yeah. You have the celiac, that was called? Celiac arteries. Hepatic is the first branch. And then the second branch is the gastric. And these are the gastrosplenic after that. Gastrosplenic. And you have the superior mesenteric artery that goes to the small intestine. The adrenolumbar that broke is the renal next. The renal arteries right there. And then to the inferior, or is it the genital? The gonadal, which is, is it their gonadal right there? And it attaches to what?
Any more questions?
What? Yeah. The gonadal that goes to the ovary.
Where?
Right here. It's right after the renal. Probably that one I did that broke off. This right here that goes to the ovary. So that one goes to the ovary right there. So it'd be an ovarian, or would it be a gonadal?
Ovarian, specifically ovarian.
Then you have the inferior mesenteric arteries that goes to the large intestine.
Then what's the last one before the iliac?
Iliolumbar?
Yes.
So that one?
Prescription strength.
That broke off. Right there.
So yeah, when I train my little.
That's lovely. Okay. So that's the iliolumbar. And then you just have a common.
The girl practically gloved up before she
Not for, okay, it has a common iliac for the veins, but not for the arteries.
Where?
Yes.
Okay. External on the outside, internal on the inside, and then in the very middle is the caudal or the sacral right there. And then you have external femoral. Oh, this is the femoral. Femoral.
In between the external iliac and the femoral.
So right there. It goes in.
I think so.
That one goes in. So that'd be the deep femoral. And then the femoral. Right behind the knee is the popliteal. And then the tibial is really close to it, right?
Yep.
Right here? The tibial?
bareback.
Is that it?
I don't know. I can. Any artery he points to on the tibia side will be the tibia.
Anything right here is going to be the popliteal behind the knee, and then anything right here is going to be the tibial. The first branch, and then the costocervical, and then the thyrocervical trunk, and then this would be the right subclavian, and then internal mammary. Okay. For veins, superior vena cava. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't know these fellows.
Okay.
Superior vena cava branches off to brachiocephalic and left subclavian.
No, right and left brachiocephalic. So it should be even.
Okay, so this is just a right brachiocephalic and then left brachiocephalic, and then they branch off into right subclavian.
And the
Right. right, common carotid?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Is that the external jugular?
Yes, jugular.
So that's going to be the external jugular close to the neck. Is this one a carotid? Or does it not happen?
No, we don't need it.
So we say no, this one and this one?
RNA or DNA.
Yeah. So external and subclavian? Right, subclavian? And did ours break off?
Like this person.
Yeah.
So same thing for the left side.
So this would be the left external jugular, and this would be the left
Like what do you treat?
subclavian,
What do you treat?
and then you have the
What is inflamed?
subscapular.
Whenever you catch this virus.
Yeah, but we don't need to know that
Okay, we
one.
don't need to know that one.
But we need to know where the axillary is.
This would be axillary, right?
Is it,
The subscapular would be right there. So this would be axillary and that'd be brachial.
is the subscapular right here?
Say a treatment for it.
So here, remember the artery is the same place. It goes to the same place.
So this would just be axillary. Then this would all be brachial.
I think so.
And then radial and ulnar. Let me do that note.
Arteria vena cava.
Right here. And the esophagus.
Yeah, esophagus.
Is that right here?
Okay.
Okay, so this is superior, so that means this is the esophagus because it goes into there, and it comes from the ribs down here. Okay, so that's that, and then, did you see it? Okay. And then over here.
Did you want to? If you do, press fine. If you don't.
Okay, would this be the adrenal lumbar right here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's adrenal lumbar, and then renal.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to use the one square.
And then
What's that one?
the gonad.
Yeah, but
Gonadal.
what do you have?
Ovarian.
So gonadal will just get you half credit in the lab test.
So it would be
So you have to
ovarian.
look and say, well, this is female, so it's ovarian, or it's testicular, ma'am, or internal somatic, whichever you want.
The ones that.
And then the
Yeah, what is that?
inferior
Everything else I
mesenteric
pretty much
Yep.
filled out.
vein, and then
You know, like on this one.
What's that one you just grabbed?
This is where we started.
this one,
That one he just
This
wanted
right here?
to know.
Yes.
the common iliac. We're on this one. We're doing veins. So the common iliac.
Do you mind, could I do it in like a little bit?
That's coming from the left.
Would this still be the inferior vena cava?
Yes. And then see where it branches just a little further down? No, that's your common iliac.
Okay.
What's that red one right there?
Nasty one coming up here.
Where? Right here?
Yes.
Are you gonna be?
The abdominal aorta?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Does it branch off into internal, right?
Do what now?
That'd be the internal
Internal what?
iliac.
No. Internal. Where's the external iliac arteries?
Pneumonia.
Move back like you were.
Pneumonia.
External right here.
So what's this right here? The red? We're looking at red, right?
Okay.
Is that what you're doing? Arteries or veins?
Veins.
Oh, veins. All right. So that's common. And then what you have to find is where does the internal come off of it. So here's the before. This is common. Here's the internal comes off. So that's common. This is going to be external iliac. And then the deep femoral comes off, and then it's femoral.
Okay. So this would branch off right here.
Yeah, it's internal.
So that'd be internal, and then after that it'd be external.
Yes.
Okay.
So y'all's cat, this is branching off pretty high up in the body. Most of the time, it branches like right where the arteries do. So, but yes, but even if it was on a different cat, it'd be the same scenario though. That's internal, well this is common, and passage is external.
Okay. So this would all be external, so it branches off
What would
here.
that be?
The great.
Deep
That'd be
femoral.
femoral.
It's great to have it.
The deep femoral.
What kind of vein?
Remember when the deep femoral arteries?
What's that one?
So there's a deep femoral vein too?
In lungs. So that's the pulmonary vein. And then,
I think it's on the inside.
Or would it be up higher?
no, it's right where the pelvis is. You feel right, like you feel the bone there? Can you feel the bone there?
Yeah.
That's because it's going to come off right there. Kind of see, yeah, so you just touch the red one there. Not that one there, but flip that little piece back. Coming off right there.
Okay, so right
You guys
here.
are kind of handicapped because all that blue latex was in there, so.
That one right there?
But if you know where they come off, yep, so that's coming off right there.
So that'd be the deep femoral?
Yep.
Okay. And then after that it'd be all femoral?
Until we get to behind the knee, what is it?
The popliteal?
Yep, what's this blue one right here?
Great saphenous.
Okay.
Okay. The popliteal vein. And then from all of this is going to be the great saphenous vein. And then you have the tibial that's somewhere in here. Ours is right here, but it may be up against it or anywhere in that area.